right here takes me down, okay? This is insane to me, okay? But approximately 65% of denied claims are never resubmitted, resulting in a direct loss of revenue. So that's where our recovery process comes in. That's where we're able to help different clients recover claims that they never would have gotten paid on. And if you look at this last fact, it's kind of mind-boggling as well. The claims denied cost U.S. healthcare providers $262 billion annually. I mean, I can't even make this up, okay? $262 billion annually as of 2023. So all of these facts is just direct correlation to show there is a need for our services. There is a need for a person that has an innovative way of thinking, ambition and pursuit to solve problems to help patients and healthcare providers provide the best quality of care. As tedious as my job may be, or as small as you may seem it is, or may look at it to be, as far as when it comes to just sitting down at the computer and clicking and typing in numbers and researching things and troubleshooting and solving problems, it directly impacts a provider's care for their patients. Because if we're not able to do our job, the provider have a hard time doing their job. Integrity. Now, this is a very crucial part when it comes to dealing with revenue cycle management and dealing with the healthcare industry, period. It's integrity. You want to do the right thing, or you want to work with somebody that's going to do the right thing when somebody is not looking. You know, throw something in the trash, nobody's looking, you walk away. No, you want the person that's going to pick up the trash and put it in the trash can when no one is looking. So integrity is very important.